All right. So here we have a new issue on chatgpt.com. So now whenever you guys load this site, bam, there you go. And it's back right now. I don't know, but yeah, it might be down. So let's sorry. I was just copy pasting the error code for Googling, you know that. So now let's go to incognito mode and chatgpt.com. Still not working. I even tried on my phone right now. It's just not working at all. So let's go to Google Chrome and chatgpt.com. There you go. That chatgpt.com is not loading. So what about if we manually search this GPT and try to go from browser? Yeah, it's still not working on. Yo, so let's try the VPN. So I have installed this Chrome extension here. So I'm just going to try this. All right, let me connect to United States of America and let's load. Bam, there we go. It's working right now. Well, so this is how you guys can fix this issue. So either you guys can use this free Irvine VPN, or you guys can also go to like luxurious VPN like Nord Express, all this crap, that. So yeah, just go ahead and you can still see the error if you guys don't use VPN. But ChatGPT is literally saying if you are using VPN, try turning it up. All right. You can also check your like status stuff. So this is perfectly working. But yeah, if you are encountering issue like this, even though like ChatGPT is saying that, hey, turn that VPN down, you gotta use VPN. All right. So this is it. This is the solution for you guys for today's video. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.